In this video, we're going to review the Fuji X-A5 mirrorless camera, coming right up. What's up, everybody? Phil with Bull City Pictures here with an unboxing and first look at the Fuji Film X-A5 with a brand new XC lens, XC 15 to 45 millimeter. This is just released. I pre-ordered it, got it today. So let's see what we have inside here. Some documentation, a couple thick manuals. The camera itself. I got the silver. Pretty small. Feels pretty solid. Also, this kit comes with the lens. Again, this is a new lens for Fuji. It's a 15 to 45. We've got an adapter for the power plug itself, we've got the USB cable for charging, and battery. Looks like this uses the same battery as the XT lines. So I'm gonna charge this all up, get things ready, take some pictures, take some video. It does shoot, they're calling it 4K video, but at 15p. I really don't think that that's 4K, but what we'll do is we'll fire it up, charge it up, get some pictures, get some video. I'll show you the videos and pictures over on the computer, and then I'll give you a wrap-up of my first impressions of this Fuji Film X-A5 mirrorless camera. Just wanted to take you into Lightroom and show you a few of the pictures that I snapped quickly. This is Suki, my kitty. You can see the information here. ISO 800. Looks pretty clean. Good colors. Looks like good clarity. These are just JPEGs out of the camera. No editing has been done. You can see the ISO here, 1250. Really good detail. Another one, 2500. Again, this is straight out of the camera. Fuji does use some noise reduction, but still, the Fuji JPEGs are beautiful. Here's another shot. You can see the information on that one. Really impressed so far with the few pictures that I've taken. Wanted to show a little bit of the macro capabilities here. This is just a leaf. You can kind of see the detail on the leaf. I'm going to zoom in 3:1 on this, and so you can see the detail. It almost looks like hair here, and this is with the kit lens that comes with it, the 15 to 45 lens. And then here's just some salt and pepper shakers at 3:1. Again, you can see the detail is pretty good. If you go back to 1:1, looks pretty good. Now I'm going to show you some of the video that I shot. I shot with the kit lens, and I also shot with the 10 to 24 lens, which is what I have from the Fuji lenses that I've collected. It's a great lens. So I'm going to show you the video, and then we're going to go back and wrap this thing up. This is 1080p. It's very, very bright out. Got the aperture set to f10. Image stabilization, electronic image stabilization is off. This is the inbuilt microphone. Now this is 1080p 24, adjusted the shutter speed to 1/50th. Aperture f9. The great thing is you can change the shutter speed and the aperture when you're shooting video, which is really nice. And this lens has the aperture control on the lens, so I can just flip my thumb. It makes it really easy. Don't have to use the control dial. And this is 1080p, sorry, 1080 24p with the 10 to 24 millimeter lens. We're at 10 millimeters. 1080 60p. Same settings as far as the aperture goes. Shutter speed actually needs to change. Crank that up. 1/25. It's still at f10. I want to obey the 180 rule. Your shutter speed should be twice what your video setting is, frames per second. So this is 120, it should look a little more natural. Electronic image stabilization is off. This is the built-in microphone. This is 1080 60p. Shutter speed is 1/25. Aperture f7. This is actually a pretty comfortable setup to vlog with. My hands holding the lens. We're at 10 millimeters. Face detection seems to be working pretty well. Focus. Focus seems to be pretty good. This is 4K 15p. Change the settings a bit. The shutter speed is down to 1/25. Aperture at f9, but you can see that this is it's going to be pretty choppy at 15 frames per second. This is 4K 15p with the 10 to 24 lens, just adjusting the aperture to get the right exposure. Looks like f8 is the right exposure. Onboard microphones. This is at about 10 millimeters. You can see the wide view here. That was some video and some pictures that I shot very quickly. With this, I want to take you for a walk around the camera. This is the top of the camera. Got control dial, shutter button, on and off, mode dial. It does have a hot shoe and a pop-up flash. And that flash can be moved. So you can point the flash wherever you want. It does come with a 15 to 45 newly developed lens. On the back, you've got a typical Fuji setup. 3.5 or 3-inch articulated screen. It does pop all the way up. Makes it a good vlog camera. Nice grip here. Typical D-pad. Got your video record button, play button, Q button, back button. On the bottom, got your battery, tripod mount, and then a speaker for playback. So that's really a look at the camera. There's going to be a full review coming up for sure. Looks like it's going to be a good little camera. This is Phil with Bull City Pictures. If you like what you saw, please consider subscribing. If you do subscribe, please click on that bell icon, and that will allow you to be notified when we upload or go live. Thanks again for watching this video, and we'll see you again in the next one.